In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund for Uber or Uber Eats, step by step, ensuring that you get your money back effortlessly when things don't go as planned. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Upon opening, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus is on the upper left corner. That's where you'll find the three horizontal lines, commonly known as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open the main menu, which houses several handy features. Once you've accessed the menu, you should see a list of options. Look for something labeled Help. This is your gateway to any support or service-related issues you may encounter on the app. Tap on Help and it will direct you to a page that focuses on support resources. Now that you're on the Help page, you need to locate your specific order that you want a refund for. To do this, tap on Your Orders. This will showcase all of your recent transactions. Scroll until you find the order in question and tap on it to proceed. After selecting the order, you'll notice several categories related to common issues. If your refund request is due to a problem with your food, such as damage or quality issues, choose the option that corresponds to food damage or quality issue. Here, you'll see the choice to select the entire order if your concern encompasses all items, so go ahead and choose Entire Order before clicking Next to continue your claim process. The next step requires a bit more detail. You'll need to specify what went wrong with your order. Be honest and concise when you choose the specific issue from the list provided. Whether it's missing items, incorrect order, or something else, make your selection clear before you move on to the final step. The last thing you need to do in the app is click Done. This action submits your request for review by Uber Eats support team. They'll take it from here, reaching out to you soon to address your refund query. Switching over to the Uber app is our next task. Go ahead and launch the Uber app if your refund pertains to a ride. Enter the location where the issue took place. Perhaps it's a pickup or drop-off location. Input the necessary details and explore the options carefully. Depending on the specifics, you might also be prompted to enter ride details and discrepancies like incorrect fares or altered routes, so keep an eye out for these and fill them accurately. Following these steps ensures you've initiated the request correctly. Uber's customer support team should contact you with further instructions and updates on your refund status. Remember, patience is key, as claims might take a short while to process. We hope this guide simplifies requesting a refund on Uber or Uber Eats for you. Happy travels and ordering!